What's up, everyone? If you want to keep your food fresh longer and reduce waste, you might be searching for the best vacuum sealer machine for your kitchen. Welcome back to Tech Product, where we share smart tools that make daily life easier. Today's gadget is all about freshness and convenience. Let's get started. Let me introduce the LKKNC Vacuum Sealer Machine. This device is designed to make food storage simple, fast, and more effective. Whether you are preparing meals for the week, organizing your pantry, or getting ready for sous vide cooking, this machine helps you seal food tightly and safely. One of the biggest highlights of the LKKNC Vacuum Sealer Machine is its 6-in-1 multifunctional design. It offers dry and moist modes, so you can seal everything from dry snacks to juicy meats. The moist mode is especially helpful when sealing marinated foods or items with natural juices. It adjusts the sealing process to handle moisture properly, so you get a strong and secure seal. There is also a pulse vac function. This is perfect for delicate foods like chips or soft fruits. Instead of applying full suction right away, you can control the vacuum pressure step by step. This helps prevent crushing and keeps your food in great shape. For jar storage, the Canister Vac feature allows you to remove air from containers. This is great for dry goods like coffee, nuts, or cereal. The instant seal function is another useful option. If you just opened a snack bag and want to reseal it quickly, this feature makes it easy. And with the built-in bag cutter, you can create custom-sized bags without needing extra tools. Power is another strong point. The LKKNC Vacuum Sealer Machine uses high-power suction technology to seal bags within seconds. It handles thick cuts of meat, liquids, and freezer bags with ease. By removing air effectively, it can extend the freshness of food up to 8 times longer. This means better flavor, better nutrition, and less wasted food. Cleaning the machine is also simple. It features a modular detachable base and lid. The split design allows you to separate the base and lid completely. The built-in reservoir can also be removed for quick cleaning. This helps prevent trapped residue and unwanted odors, keeping the machine hygienic after every use. The vertical design is compact and space-saving. It takes up nearly half the space compared to traditional models. With its comfortable handheld handle, it is easy to move and store. This makes it perfect for smaller kitchens where counter space is limited. Another thoughtful detail is the one-touch lid opening mechanism. You do not need to struggle with complicated locks or buttons. The controls are simple and user-friendly, making it easy for both beginners and experienced cooks. Fresh food made easy. If you want to upgrade your kitchen routine and keep your ingredients organized and long-lasting, this machine is a smart choice. Check the price link in the description to learn more. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more helpful gadgets. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.